Welcome to the channel. I'm Two-Wheeled Auto Twit. You're joining me and Helmet Head on the penultimate day of our Thailand adventure. Riding our Honda Hunter Cubs CT125s, we'll be exploring some more of the amazing Thailand roads and visiting a temple in a cave. So it's time to hit the road. It's hot this morning already. Probably said that every morning, but it really does get hot really quick. It was a nice cool morning when we were eating breakfast, and that soon changed. You good to go?
Yeah man, I'm looking forward to today. It's going to be epic.
It really is.
Think about it. Monks, bald heads, eggs to kiss.
Job done. Both of us are really chilled this morning. We're like, yeah, we want to get going, but but just nice and slow, nice and steady. Enjoy it. Let's get these beasts back on the road. Let's see what Tham Chang Do is going to be. It's going to be good, whatever. The Buddhist temple in a cave or around a cave. Let's get that short trip done on these lovely rural Thai roads and bring you Wat Pham Chang Do. Come along and enjoy the ride. That was a very short ride. We're just approaching the caves now. Lovely roads here, aren't they? I think this might be what they call Giant Tree Alley, but I'm not 100% sure. Just kilometre and a half away. That's some mountain in the backdrop. Here we go. This could be quite awesome. Oh, I say here we go. Still got a kilometre to go. Thought we were arriving. Chang Do Cave. There we go. That is already impressive. Very touristy. So it's time to take a short walk. Check this cave out. It's got some real interesting history behind it. Doesn't overly interest me, but I do like looking at beautiful things. Let's take a look. Here we are, entrance to the cave. It was only just a short walk up the steps. Let's take another walk right in. say, I'm finding this place very relaxing, very cool. So for just 40 baht, you can enter and walk around quite a substantial amount of the cave. There are some parts of the cave where it's just a little bit too dangerous to go on your own. You can, if you so wish, hire a guide. We haven't today. We're quite happy to see what we can get into for 40 baht. This is the end and the shrine to the prince. What do you think?
I think it's a really cool place. I love the way when you enter, you've got all of the fish and the koi carp, etc., and you walk through. I am very, very hot. I'm not going to lie. I'm dripping with sweat, and I take my glasses off. But it's really pretty, isn't it? Seeing all of this amazement.
It is very nice, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Time for a coffee, do you think?
An ice cream.
Well, there we go. After a very enjoyable local coffee and an iced mocha, it's time to make the trek to a very special location that Alan has booked for us to stay this evening. Not massively far again, 62 kilometres, just over an hour's of riding. I don't think it's going to be amazing roads, but we're enjoying a really laid back day today. And what he's booked for us is an entire villa with a pool and a kitchen and a terrace. So we plan to get there nice and early, enjoy the pool, and then he's got big plans for me to buy the ingredients and cook him a local dish. I'm sure we can manage to put something together to make it good for his video. Certainly something I enjoy is cooking, and I really enjoy the local flavours, so I'm looking forward to that. And I will try and make it interesting for you as well. There is still something very magical riding through these roads. Whether they're busy or not, we're still in the jungle. The jungle of North Thailand. Well, just some 20 kilometres to go now. Just one slight issue. I didn't notice my fuel lights flashing. Stopped at a petrol station with one of these automatic pumps, and yeah, it didn't have any. We were told quite confidently it's somewhere about 7 kilometres down the road, so that's not too bad. There we go. So that's peace of mind now with a full tank, and we're straight in to the lovely mountain twisties that we've come to know and love. Short trek to this incredible villa that we'll be staying at tonight. Come along for the ride as we make our way. I've got no more gears left. That was a trek, a very enjoyable one. You have arrived, the sat-nav says. This must be it. Certainly looks good. Nice private entrance. Is this ours or is that the owner's? I'm not entirely sure yet. Go and speak to this lady. Yeah, she's looking, yeah, she's welcoming us, so yeah. Well, today's activities may not have quite topped some of the previous ones, but I think you'll agree today's villa really does top the lot. Come down some short steps into the alleyway with the buildings beside of us, straight out to the veranda. With a pool, a bath, an incredible view looking right the way down into the valley. A lovely seating area, barbecues, gas grills, food all provided, so I don't need to go to the market to buy Alan's dinner, but I do need to cook it still. Coming into the kitchen area, all immaculate. That's my room. Chef gets to sleep in the kitchen. This is where the boss sleeps. He's even got his own door to the toilet. Probably the most, well, definitely the most expensive so far, but I think you'll agree, absolutely worth every penny. Spoiled for choice. We don't know where to spend time at the pool for a nice cool down. We can enjoy a nice hot bath. With a lovely red wine. This is the life. Relieves all those aches and pains from a day's riding. The wonderful but uncomfortable hunter cub. You can pick a cosy spot to enjoy a beer with your mate. Or of course, when you're starting to feel peckish, you can cook your own barbecue. It's time for food. So we're about to enjoy a home-cooked Thai barbecue style slightly spicy pork. So let's make a start on this awesome barbecue. But of course, chef's perks. Let's top up the beer. So what have we got? Looks like some chunky pieces of pork, lovely salad, some finer bacon with what looks like tofu. We're going to add a little touch of spice. Neither of us like masses. And then later, just to cool that spice, a fresh piece or two of melon. Really easily prepared dish, to be fair. Everything's there we need. Plenty of sauce. I'm hungry now. That's tasty too. That was really good. I'm impressed with myself. Right, we've only got a little bit more to cook. Let's crack on. Wow, what a day. What an adventure. But now it's time to say goodbye for today. I can't wait to bring you along and see what we get up to tomorrow. Thank you for watching.